Thank you guys for jumping on. Today we're going to talk about the new AI NextStep feature. It is in beta, so keep that in mind. It's always learning and we're updating as time goes on. The first piece is turning it on. So under options, we're looking for MAIA settings. And this is going to turn this on for your company or yourself. There's some admin tools, some other how-to type stuff. The main item here is going to be next step. So you see these grades here. You see next step suggestions. The whole idea is to work with your database and the data that you have and use different actions to push them forward in the pipeline. This one says we hit them with a text. What are the other suggestions? What we could do is reach out via phone call, and you'll have reports on this. You can follow what it says. It actually has this other success probability section with more information. It's saying, here's all the things that you can do to potentially push this person forward in the pipeline. And over time, you're going to see positive results. Alongside this, you have the reports. So under reports, it's going to be at the bottom here. In the demo account, it doesn't have real information, but you would see here's all the people that you've actually done these feedback items with. You can kind of monitor because we did that, they have a better probability. You could also track days to close, and this breaks it down by each user on your account. So if you're the admin, you can kind of quickly see, okay, people actually working with the system, if they're following the feedback and suggestions, you're going to see the results here. Looks like we got a question. Have you tried to use MAIA to create a marketing campaign? Yes. So what I would do in the marketing is kind of go back to creating a campaign item. You could say, hey, write a multiple step campaign or write an initial message to a prospective realtor partner that I'm trying to work with. It's going to give you some pretty solid communication that you can use as is, or maybe you adjust the communication. And then from there, you say, okay, write a day 3 follow-up, day 5, or maybe space it out. We don't have an AI voice agent, but we do have a chat bot. So if you wanted to implement our point of sale, this is actually another tool that we have access to. So you can bring them to something like this, where it says, okay, I can help you answer questions. So they're like, okay, what's a FICO score? Or what do you mean by this question? And it'll give them an answer right here. There's also the messages section, which you will get updates for, and you're actually communicating back and forth with the client. It's pretty much short and sweet. It really is just giving you feedback here. You got the reporting under reports, breaks it down. And then on the main database, you can quickly see where people are with that. You'll see the different grades based on their situation. If they move to funded, should update. Same goes if you have more information on them, like 1003 info, maybe you've completed tasks, maybe they're on multiple campaigns. They're already set up for success, so not much will change. But if somebody's just sitting in a group that doesn't have anything going out to them, obviously, it's good to know at a quick glance. These guys could use some work outside of just reaching out via phone call.